This condenser tumble dryer from Candy is ideal if you're looking for a model with clever features to take special care of your clothes. It has a B energy rating and a medium-sized 9-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for better drying results. The amazing sensor drying feature gives you perfect drying results each and every time. Simply select the ideal level of dryness, such as the cupboard dry and iron dry settings, and clever sensors inside the drum will then monitor moisture levels and end the cycle once your clothes are dry. This helps to protect fabrics and save energy, so it's kinder to your clothes and your utility bills. The wool program dries your most delicate items with extra special care. With the twist of a dial, the cycle uses lower heat and gentle drum movements to give softer clothing like cashmere the mildest treatment, meaning those hard-to-replace items will always stand the test of time. If you're looking for a tumble dryer with clever features to take special care of your clothes, this condenser model from Candy is the perfect choice.